pack up Clover with me for a trail ride. Oh, I'm just showing my face again and again. I'm not showing my face. Okay, so this is gonna take a minute for me to tack her up, so. Okay, just hopped on Clover. We go on a trail ride. And then after the trail ride, we might do some jumping. Depends how tired she is, because we're gonna do walk, track, camp on this ride. Good girl, Clover. Good girl. Okay. Sorry if it's bumpy. Good girl. Slow. Slow. Good girl. Okay, just got back to the house. Oh my god, that was tiring. Ooh. Walked you back.
July numbers, so if you can get that.
Okay, I'm gonna brush her. Okay, bye guys.